Incandescent dimmers and low-voltage dimmers differ significantly in their construction and application. Incandescent dimmers utilize variable resistors, also known as rheostats, to control current flow. This is achieved by adjusting the resistance in the circuit. Incandescent dimmers operate on higher voltages, typically 120 volts or 240 volts. They are designed to handle the higher resistance and lower current characteristics of incandescent lamps. Low-voltage dimmers, on the other hand, use electronic components such as transistors or triacs to control voltage. These dimmers operate on lower voltages, typically 12 volts or 24 volts. They are specifically designed for the lower resistance and higher current demands of low-voltage lighting systems. It is not advisable to use incandescent dimmers on low-voltage lighting, even if each light has its own transformer. There are several reasons for this. Firstly, voltage mismatch. Incandescent dimmers are designed for higher voltage applications and may not be able to properly control the low voltage of low-voltage lighting. Secondly, transformer damage. Dimming a low-voltage transformer with an incandescent dimmer can cause overheating, overloading, and ultimately damage to the transformer. Thirdly, poor dimming performance. Incandescent dimmers may not provide a smooth or reliable dimming experience for low-voltage lighting due to the mismatch in electrical characteristics. The best practice is to always use low-voltage dimmers that are specifically designed for low-voltage lighting applications. These dimmers are tested and approved for use with low-voltage transformers and will provide optimal dimming performance and safety. The difference in construction and operating characteristics makes it crucial to use the correct type of dimmer for the specific lighting application. Using an incandescent dimmer on low-voltage lighting can lead to inefficient operation, potential damage, and safety hazards. Always consult with a qualified electrician or lighting professional if there is uncertainty about which type of dimmer to use. When selecting a dimmer, consider the voltage and wattage requirements of the lighting system. Low-voltage lighting typically uses magnetic or electronic transformers to step down the voltage from 120 volts to 12 volts or 24 volts. The dimmer must be compatible with the type of transformer being used. Magnetic transformers generally require a different type of dimmer than electronic transformers. Also, the dimmer must be rated for the total wattage of the lighting load. Overloading a dimmer can cause it to overheat and fail. In addition to construction and compatibility, safety is a primary concern when working with electrical systems. Always disconnect the power supply before installing or replacing a dimmer. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and use appropriate safety precautions such as wearing insulated gloves and using insulated tools. When dimming low-voltage lighting, it is important to consider the inrush current of the transformer. Inrush current is the high initial current that flows when a transformer is first energized. Some dimmers may not be able to handle the inrush current, which can cause them to trip or fail. To prevent this, use a dimmer that is specifically designed for use with transformers or that has a built-in inrush current limiter. Another factor to consider is the type of low-voltage lighting being used. There are two main types of low-voltage lighting: halogen and light-emitting diode, also known as LED. Halogen lighting typically requires a different type of dimmer than LED lighting. Halogen dimmers are designed to control the voltage to the halogen lamps, while light-emitting diode dimmers are designed to control the current to the light-emitting diode lamps. It is important to use the correct type of dimmer for the type of lighting being used to ensure optimal performance and prevent damage to the lighting system. When choosing a dimmer, it is also important to consider the dimming range. Some dimmers have a wider dimming range than others. A wider dimming range allows for greater flexibility in controlling the light output. It is also important to consider the dimming curve. The dimming curve is the relationship between the dimmer control setting and the light output. Some dimmers have a linear dimming curve, while others have a non-linear dimming curve. A linear dimming curve means that the light output changes proportionally to the dimmer control setting. A non-linear dimming curve means that the light output changes non-proportionally to the dimmer control setting. The choice of dimming curve depends on the specific application. For example, a linear dimming curve may be preferred for task lighting, while a non-linear dimming curve may be preferred for ambient lighting. When installing a dimmer, it is important to follow the local electrical codes. Electrical codes vary from place to place, so it is important to check with the local authorities to ensure that the installation is in compliance with the code. The National Electrical Code, also known as NEC, provides guidelines for the safe installation of electrical systems. The NEC covers a wide range of topics, including the installation of dimmers. It is important to be familiar with the NEC before installing a dimmer. One of the key differences between incandescent and low-voltage dimmers lies in their approach to controlling light output. Incandescent dimmers, as previously mentioned, rely on variable resistors to dissipate energy as heat, thereby reducing the voltage and current supplied to the bulb. This method is inherently inefficient, as a significant portion of the electrical energy is wasted as heat rather than being converted into light. Low-voltage dimmers, on the other hand, employ electronic switching techniques to rapidly turn the voltage on and off, effectively controlling the average power delivered to the light source. This method is far more efficient than using variable resistors, as it minimizes the amount of energy wasted as heat. Furthermore, low-voltage dimmers often incorporate sophisticated feedback mechanisms to ensure smooth and flicker-free dimming, even at very low light levels. These feedback mechanisms monitor the voltage and current being supplied to the light source and make adjustments to the switching frequency to maintain a stable and consistent light output. In addition to their efficiency and dimming performance, low-voltage dimmers offer several other advantages over incandescent dimmers. Firstly, they are typically smaller and more compact, making them easier to install in tight spaces. Secondly, they generate less heat, reducing the risk of overheating and fire. Thirdly, they are less susceptible to wear and tear, resulting in a longer lifespan. When selecting a low-voltage dimmer, it is important to consider the type of load being controlled. There are two main types of low-voltage loads: magnetic and electronic. Magnetic loads, such as those found in older low-voltage lighting systems, require a dimmer that is specifically designed for use with inductive loads. These dimmers typically use a triac switching device and may include a built-in choke to suppress electromagnetic interference. Electronic loads, such as those found in newer light-emitting diode lighting systems, require a dimmer that is specifically designed for use with capacitive loads. These dimmers typically use a metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, also known as MOSFET, switching device, and may include a built-in filter to reduce harmonic distortion. In addition to the type of load, it is also important to consider the wattage rating of the dimmer. The dimmer must be rated for the total wattage of the load being controlled. Overloading a dimmer can cause it to overheat and fail. It is always better to choose a dimmer that has a slightly higher wattage rating than the load being controlled. When installing a low-voltage dimmer, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Incorrect installation can damage the dimmer or the load. It is also important to ensure that the dimmer is properly grounded. Grounding is essential for safety and helps to prevent electrical shock. In summary, incandescent dimmers and low-voltage dimmers differ significantly in their construction, operating principles, and suitability for different types of lighting loads. Incandescent dimmers use variable resistors to control light output, while low-voltage dimmers use electronic switching techniques. Low-voltage dimmers are more efficient, offer better dimming performance, and are generally safer than incandescent dimmers. When selecting a dimmer, it is important to consider the type of load being controlled, the wattage rating of the dimmer, and the manufacturer's instructions. Always follow the local electrical codes and take appropriate safety precautions when installing or replacing a dimmer. The choice between incandescent and low-voltage dimmers also impacts energy efficiency. Incandescent dimmers, by their resistive nature, dissipate a significant amount of energy as heat. This wasted energy contributes to higher electricity bills and increases the overall carbon footprint. Low-voltage dimmers, particularly those used with light-emitting diode lighting, offer a much more energy-efficient solution. Light-emitting diode lamps consume significantly less energy than incandescent lamps for the same light output, and low-voltage dimmers further optimize energy usage by minimizing energy loss during dimming. By switching to low-voltage lighting and dimming systems, it is possible to reduce energy consumption and lower electricity costs. Furthermore, many utility companies offer rebates and incentives for installing energy-efficient lighting systems. These rebates can help to offset the initial cost of upgrading to low-voltage lighting and dimming systems. The installation of low-voltage dimmers often requires a deeper understanding of wiring configurations and transformer compatibility. Unlike incandescent dimmers, which typically involve a simple two-wire connection, low-voltage dimmers may require additional wiring for control signals and transformer synchronization. It is crucial to consult the manufacturer's instructions and wiring diagrams to ensure proper installation. In some cases, it may be necessary to replace existing wiring to accommodate the requirements of the low-voltage dimmer. This is particularly true when upgrading from an older incandescent system to a modern low-voltage system. Proper wiring is essential for ensuring optimal performance and preventing electrical hazards. Transformer compatibility is another important consideration when installing low-voltage dimmers. As mentioned earlier, there are two main types of low-voltage transformers: magnetic and electronic. Each type of transformer has different characteristics and requires a specific type of dimmer. Using the wrong type of dimmer can damage the transformer or result in poor dimming performance. It is important to consult the manufacturer's specifications to ensure that the dimmer is compatible with the transformer being used. In addition to transformer compatibility, it is also important to consider the minimum and maximum load requirements of the dimmer. Most dimmers have a minimum load requirement, which is the minimum amount of power that must be drawn by the load for the dimmer to function properly. If the load is below the minimum requirement, the dimmer may not operate correctly or may even be damaged. Similarly, most dimmers have a maximum load requirement, which is the maximum amount of power that the dimmer can safely handle. Overloading a dimmer can cause it to overheat and fail. It is important to choose a dimmer that is properly sized for the load being controlled. The advancements in lighting technology have led to the development of more sophisticated dimming systems. These systems offer a range of features, such as preset lighting scenes, remote control operation, and integration with home automation systems. Preset lighting scenes allow for creating different lighting moods with the touch of a button. Remote control operation provides convenient control over the lighting from anywhere in the room. Integration with home automation systems allows for controlling the lighting from a smartphone or tablet. These features can enhance the convenience and enjoyment of lighting. The selection of a dimmer switch also involves understanding the different types of dimming technologies available. Leading-edge dimmers, also known as forward-phase dimmers, are commonly used with incandescent and halogen lamps. They work by chopping off the leading edge of the alternating current sine wave, which reduces the voltage and current supplied to the lamp. Trailing edge dimmers, also known as reverse phase dimmers, are typically used with light-emitting diode and compact fluorescent lamps. They work by chopping off the trailing edge of the alternating current sine wave, which also reduces the voltage and current supplied to the lamp. Trailing edge dimmers are generally more energy efficient and produce less noise than leading edge dimmers. Universal dimmers are designed to work with a variety of lamp types, including incandescent, halogen, light-emitting diode, and compact fluorescent lamps. They typically use a combination of leading-edge and trailing-edge dimming technologies to optimize performance for each lamp type. When selecting a dimmer, it is important to consider the type of lamps being used and the desired dimming performance. Dimmers designed for low-voltage lighting systems often incorporate features to address specific challenges associated with these systems. One such feature is voltage compensation, which helps to maintain a stable light output even when the input voltage fluctuates. Low-voltage lighting systems are often more sensitive to voltage fluctuations than high-voltage systems, so voltage compensation can be critical for ensuring consistent performance. Another common feature is soft start, which gradually increases the voltage to the lamps when they are first turned on. This can help to extend the lifespan of the lamps by reducing the stress on the filament. Soft start is particularly important for halogen lamps, which are known to be sensitive to sudden voltage surges. Furthermore, some low-voltage dimmers include built-in protection circuits to prevent damage from short circuits, overloads, and overheating. These protection circuits can help to ensure the safety and reliability of the lighting system. The integration of smart home technology has further expanded the capabilities of dimming systems. Smart dimmers can be controlled remotely via a smartphone or tablet, allowing for convenient control of the lighting from anywhere in the world. They can also be integrated with other smart home devices, such as thermostats and security systems, to create automated lighting scenes. For example, a smart dimmer could be programmed to automatically dim the lights when the thermostat is set to a lower temperature, or to turn on the light when the security system is disarmed. Smart dimmers offer a high level of customization and control over the lighting environment. The compatibility of low-voltage dimmers with different types of transformers is also an area of ongoing development. Electronic transformers, which are becoming increasingly common in low-voltage lighting systems, present unique challenges for dimming. Some electronic transformers are not compatible with all types of dimmers, which can lead to flickering or other performance issues. To address this, manufacturers are developing new dimmers that are specifically designed to work with electronic transformers. These dimmers often incorporate advanced control algorithms to ensure smooth and stable dimming. The use of low-voltage dimmers in commercial applications is becoming increasingly popular. Low-voltage lighting systems offer several advantages over high-voltage systems in commercial settings, including improved energy efficiency, longer lamp life, and reduced maintenance costs. Low-voltage dimmers can further enhance these benefits by providing precise control over the lighting levels. This can be particularly useful in applications such as retail stores, restaurants, and offices, where lighting plays a critical role in creating the desired atmosphere. The design and selection of dimming systems for low-voltage lighting require careful consideration of various factors, including the type of lamps being used, the type of transformers being used, the desired dimming performance, and the specific requirements of the application. Consulting with a qualified lighting professional is recommended to ensure that the dimming system is properly designed and installed. The NEC provides specific guidelines for the installation of dimmers in both residential and commercial settings. These guidelines cover topics such as wiring methods, grounding requirements, and overcurrent protection. It is important to be familiar with the NEC before installing a dimmer to ensure that the installation is safe and code compliant. Article 404.14 of the NEC covers dimmers. This section provides requirements for the types of dimmers that can be used in different applications, as well as the installation requirements for dimmers. It is important to consult this section of the NEC before installing a dimmer to ensure that the installation is in compliance with the code. Table 310.15b16 provides the ampacity of conductors. This table is used to determine the appropriate size of conductors for a given load. It is important to consult this table when installing a dimmer to ensure that the conductors are properly sized for the load being controlled. Proper sizing of conductors is essential for safety and helps to prevent overheating and fire. The use of incandescent dimmers on low-voltage lighting systems can lead to a number of problems, including transformer damage, poor dimming performance, and safety hazards. It is always recommended to use low-voltage dimmers that are specifically designed for low-voltage lighting applications. These dimmers are tested and approved for use with low-voltage transformers and will provide optimal dimming performance and safety. Furthermore, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and local electrical codes when installing dimmers. Proper installation is essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of the lighting system. Always disconnect the power supply before working on electrical systems. Use appropriate safety precautions, such as wearing insulated gloves and using insulated tools. If there is uncertainty about how to install a dimmer, consult with a qualified electrician.